Hey everyone, today I have a quick Nintendo Switch tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch. It's really quite simple to do in the settings. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday. We bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right into connecting your Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch. So one quick thing I do want to mention is you do need to make sure that your firmware is up to date, or at least version 13.0.0. That's when this feature was added to the Nintendo Switch. Let's go ahead and connect these right now. So once you've got your Nintendo Switch turned on, we need to go down and find our system settings here. It's towards the bottom. It's a gear or sprocket that says system settings, and you can push A on your Joy-Con to open those up. Once you've done that, we're looking for the Bluetooth settings, and it's on the left-hand side here. Down towards the bottom, you'll see it says Bluetooth audio. Once you find that, go ahead and hit A on your Joy-Con. That's going to jump you over to the pair device option on the right-hand side. Now, a couple things you should know about using your Bluetooth headphones with your Switch. First off, you do need to pair your device with the Nintendo Switch, but it also says up to 2 wireless controllers can connect while using Bluetooth audio. So you can only use 2 wireless controllers. Bluetooth audio will be disconnected during local communication. Bluetooth microphones cannot be used, so you can't use your microphone, as well as you may experience audio latency depending on your Bluetooth device. So it's good to know that. From there, we just want to go ahead and hit A on our Joy-Con and start pairing our device. And it's going to start searching for our headphones. So we need to get our headphones into pairing mode. To get your headphones into pairing mode, they're all slightly different. On my earbuds here, these are Samsung's. I leave them in the case and just open the case just like that, and that'll turn on the pairing mode. On my headphones, I need to hold down the power button for about 10 seconds, and that's going to put them into pairing mode. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll go back to my screen so you can see what happens. So my headphones are in pairing mode. We'll wait for them to pop up here, and then we can go ahead and connect them. There they are. They're the Sony XB900N. So once your headphones do pop up there, go ahead and hit the A button on your Joy-Con, and it's going to start connecting your Bluetooth headphones. It says connected to Bluetooth audio. Up to 2 wireless controllers can connect while using Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth audio will be disconnected during local communication. Let's go ahead and hit A there, and they should be connected. You can see they showed up right there. Let me test them out. And the audio seems to be working perfect here in my Bluetooth headphones on my Nintendo Switch, and it's really that simple to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch. So I hope this video was able to help you connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.